कि है मेरे दूसरे चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ रिलायंस जियो का बारे में। रिलायंस जियो Q3 रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया। फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2026 प्रॉफिट जंप्स 11%, YoY to reach 7,629 crore और ARPU raised to reach 213.7. Jio Q3 result 2026 Jio average revenue per user increased to reach 213.7 from reach 211.4. Sequentially, the ARPU increase was driven by stronger customer engagement through partly tempered by promotional offer on unlimited 5G and fixed broadband plans. The company said it in a regulatory filing on a yearly basis. ARPU growth came in 5.1%. Jio Q3 result 2026 Jio average revenue per user increased to reach 213.7 from reach 211.4. Sequentially, the ARPU increase was driven by stronger customer engagement through partly tempered by promotional offer on unlimited 5G and fixed broadband plans. The company said in a regulatory filing on a early basis ARPU growth and came in at 5.1%. Jio Platforms Ltd on Friday reported this is the December quarter. Profit after tax jumps 11.2 years on year and reached 7,629 crore, while its revenue from the operation rose 12.7% to reach 37,262 crore. During the quarter, Jio average revenue per user ARPU increased to reach 213.7 from reach 211.4 sequentially. The rise in ARPU came with higher customer engagement, partly offset by promotional offer for unlimited 5G and fixed broadband service. The company said in a regulatory filing on a year-on-year basis, ARPU growth stood at 5.1%. Jio EBI DTA margin rose 17 bps YoY to 51.8%, led by higher ARPU and operating diversity. The operating revenue net of GST growth is driven by robust subscriber addition, ARPU growth, and scale up by digital service. The company API DTA jumps 16.4% YoY to reach 19,303 crore.